Transmission tower detailing is a complex task that demands precision and efficiency. Optimizing material usage is key to reducing waste and costs. Introducing TowGeom Vistār, an advanced extension of TowGeom that enables users to generate complete tower detailing effortlessly with a single click. Vistār seamlessly reads complete design report of the tower from any structural analysis and design software. Using that data, Vistār automatically generates the full structural assembly of the tower, including connection details. Once modeled in the detailing software, users can review the entire structure, create detailed drawings, generate bill of materials, and issue fabrication-ready documents effortlessly. Users also have the flexibility to adjust member orientations and bolts, ensuring complete control over the detailing process, which includes customizing all the member connections as well. For maximum flexibility, Vistār also exports the model in IFC formats, ensuring seamless integration with other CAD tools. With Vistār, tower detailing has never been this fast, precise, and hassle-free. Experience the next evolution of transmission tower detailing today. For more details, email to info@degitrans.com.